Welcome back to Goa channel. Do you know the secret code of every Vietnamese is the 10th of the third lunar month, and it's Hong King's commemoration day. Let's learn how to talk about our rules in English.
Ancestral rules. Ancestral rules. Offer incense. Offer incense. Pay tribute to. Pay tribute to. Sacred atmosphere. Sacred atmosphere. Vibrant festival. Vibrant festival. Cultural heritage. Cultural heritage. Folk games. Folk games. Sticky rice cake contest. Sticky rice cake contest.
Let's make an example. People wait in line to offer incense to the kings. Bye!